What's good, Auto Gang? What's good, Auto Gang? Guys, a flat tire today. Let's see what we got going on. Let's get this bad boy jacked up. Like I see you. Hope this ain't it right here. But now you just want to spin a tire, make sure. Well, you can't spin it because alright, the tire is old as hell. It's probably leaking from this plug. Two plug. Alright, you got two plugs on your dry rod, so that's probably why this joint keeps going flat. But let's see what's going on. Alright. The tire ain't no good. I seen this and I was like, hope that ain't what it is. And I seen it and yep, that's what it was. So we got a slit right here on the sidewall, and we got a separation. And we got a separation right here. So I'm gonna run and pick up a brand new tire, 235/65/17, and I'll be back and I'll mount a new tire, bouncing up, and we'll be all good. And like they say, you catch it flat, Eazy Auto got your back. All right. Back in the magic school bus. Let's make it to, and I need some gas. Damn. Oh, shit. Alright. Alright, we got a tire. Brand new. Look, you gotta show the sticker. If you don't show the sticker, they feel like it ain't brand new, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we got a tire back. So we got back, so we about to change the tire. Over here talking all crazy. Let's got this on. You get a balance in and we all good. I take the air pressure on the other two tires. We all good. So I'm gonna put it on, torque it down. All right. Don't forget to torque down your wheels. If you don't torque down them wheels, all right. Now we all good. Make sure y'all shop the Eazy way. I know my bus a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it when I get home. But yeah, y'all shop the Eazy way. Easy out, man.